How to download TradeLocker application on your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking to download the TradeLocker application on your iPhone or iPad, then here's how you do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open App Store. In the search bar, type in TradeLocker. Once you search for the application, look for this app from TradeLocker Limited and tap on the Get or the cloud icon to download the app. If you already downloaded the app on the same device previously, you'll see the cloud icon. If you are downloading it for the first time, you'll see a Get button. Tap on it and confirm using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and the download will finish. Once the download is done, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. If you want to allow notification permission right now, click on Allow. If you don't want to receive notification, tap on Don't Allow. Now there you have successfully installed the TradeLocker application on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.